Hello everybody, welcome to my blog. Let me introduce myself to y'all. Name is Ray. I'm Lebanese, Brazilian, currently resident in Lebanon. What I do is I do carpentry out of pallet woods. So I do not just outdoor guys, so also indoor. Um, all sorts of furniture can be done. I don't do the pallet on pallet kind of work. I kind of do the. To me, it's more like commercial work, so I don't like to do that. I like to do something more, and that's kind of what makes me break down the pallet piece by piece, wood by wood, clean them all, then reassemble them the way I want, do the design I want, make them look less like pallets as much as possible. So I started this work when the epidemic started and things went south. My uncle, my wife, they encouraged me to do that, and ever since I started, I converted this warehouse that I have to a humble workshop. So I'm gonna explain to you guys the tools that I use, just a small introduction, and later on in other videos I'll be showing you some work, and after that I'll show you step by step how everything is done. And if anybody wants to learn how to do a specific piece of furniture, do leave a comment and I'll be more than glad and happy to pass a video and show you how it's done. Okay guys, so to start, we start with the basic tools. I got here the basic tools. After that, you're all acquainted with those tools. And you got the electric battery drill, electric drill, electric saws that I use, different types to cut the wood. This one has multi-speed, so it's perfect for sanding the wood without hurting it. And the router machine to do some curves and nice touch to the wood and make it look less like pallet work, which is actually the main idea. And we got this saw, which actually is really handy for small wood to do 45-degree cuts. I got me this one, which if there are some metal pieces that needs sharpening or any tool, I do it myself, which is better. We got here the moving saw. It's actually fixed on a table, but it moves front and back, right and left to do angular cuts and 45-degree cuts, which is perfect. My assembly zone. And I got here the air compressor machine, which I use for the air nails, okay, which actually only helps me in assembly. I mainly depend and rely more on screws, 5 cm and 3 cm screws mainly. And I got here the basic fixed drilling machine, because guys, when you do like 3, 4, 10, 20 holes with your hand, it's okay, cool enough, but when you have like a lot, then your shoulder will not actually bear the hard work, so you need this. Last but not least, I got this multi-purpose machine, which is an industrial machine. This one is where I glaze the wood, so you can pass the wood from the top, these two close, and you pass them from the top to clean the surface. Then you can pass them from the bottom side to do the other side. After glazing the surface, you glaze the bottom side, and it maintains the same thickness of the wood, which is the most important thing. So on pallets, every pallet has different kind of wood. So, and every kind of wood has a different texture. So after I do that, literally your wood first looks like this. And this, guys, is considered to be a clean pallet. So imagine, I've seen much worse. This is really clean actually. And after you burn it and you pass it through the machine, it becomes more like this. So it shows the texture, it has a nice surface to it. And after I burn it, and of course when I say I burn it, I use this normal regular gas with a burner, and then I tint it, so I get this finishing, okay, where it shows the texture after burning, and then the tint does the rest of the work. It's really cool, looks really nice when you cut it and assemble it. Oof, amazing. I'll be showing you guys later. So mainly, yeah, that's all. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more, do subscribe and leave your comments, put the notification button so that you guys can see the latest news that I do. I'll be showing you a lot. and do put some comments, guys, because to me it's very interesting to know what you guys think, and I believe what makes my work better is what you guys think. So um, and it makes the work more advanced. So I'll be more than happy to hear that. Plus, as I said, if anybody needed to do something and they want to know how, um, I'll be more than happy to post a video. Okay, thank you all for watching. Have a great day and cheers, y'all. See y'all in my next videos. Bye bye.